Thank you for visiting my channel. Look what I got. Today, we are going to unbox a ratchet strap. I got this ratchet strap from Old Lajpatrai market in Delhi. I purchased this strap because I was going on a motorcycle trip for a couple of days and I just wanted something cheap to tie down my luggage onto the motorcycle. It is a cheap strap, however, it does the work what I intend to do with it. And the quality, as I said, it's not the best, but for the price, it's good enough. It is around 2 meters in length. I never figured out how to use the ratchet strap. I know how to tie it down, but I still don't know how to loosen it up quickly. Either I'm not able to understand how to make it work, or the strap is just not good enough. I will certainly not use it for any heavy duty purpose, but tying down luggage to the motorcycle, I think this should handle it. If anyone knows what I'm doing wrong while untying it, please do comment. I really want to know how it works. Most of this 4-minute video is my struggle to understand how to untie it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe.